pagkagising mo, confused ka muna. Tapos mapapatingin ka kay Gab niyan. Well, si Bea at si Gab, they're really competent actors. When I had a script reading with them, talagang alam nila yung takbo ng kwento and isang instruction mo lang talagang alam nila yung gusto mong makuha.
Test natin yung profiling skills mo. Simulan mo sa akin.
Kanina pa kita na profile, no?
Actually, excited ako dito because this is my first time working with Viva.
Gusto kong lagyan siya ng slow-mo shot na masasalo mo siya.
Script pa lang, actually, nung nabasa ko yung script, I really like how it was written. Tapos it was really exciting. And it was really greatly portrayed by these actors.
Cut!
Sobrang nakakatuwa itong si Ashtin at si Ethan kasi they follow instructions well. Mas ang galing nila mag-retain ng information and very rarely do they make mistakes sa lines.
May pag-asa ba tayo? I mean yan yung next password ng wifi namin.
Magka-medium ulit.
Expect a lot of kilig scenes, expect a lot of beautiful moments together.
Hi, I'm Billy.
I'm Kate.
Inaanyayahan ko ang lahat na manood ng For the Love. Kung gusto nyong kiligin sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang musika, iba't ibang kanta, manood kayo ng For the Love.